Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 20th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis this morning from the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So another really good day for trend traders, huh? Man, the market just keeps on going. The dollar pairs are really the only thing really moving right now. Very, very, very nice trend trade. If you actually take it down to the 30-minute time frame, you can actually see this a little bit better, which is what I'm looking for. One, two, three waves down, engulfing up. Definitely a Fibonacci retracement level if you put your fibs on there. So what am I doing right now? I think you can guess if you know my videos. I am patiently waiting for another one, two, three waves down to a Fibonacci retracement level, engulfing move to the upside to go long again till this trend is actually proven to be over, which for me it is definitely not proven to be over until we get way down here and take out that low. I am definitely going to continue to enjoy this trend. This little blue box up here represents a daily time frame high, so I think it's going to at least make its way up there. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.